Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Happy Monday. Happy Monday, everyone. My name is Mirdalan. If tonight is your first time watching me, I want to welcome you. So, tonight we're going to do possessive adjective. We're going to do possessive adjective. To start with, last week we did pronouns and we also went over nouns. All right, I said noun is a person, a place, an animal, or a thing, but tonight we're going to talk about possessive adjective. What is that? When we use my, his for a man, her for a woman or for a girl, it for a thing or an animal, your for someone else, our for me and you, and their for other people. All right, so when we're using possessive adjective, when we are using my, his, her, it, your, our, we're taking ownership. We use possessive adjective to show that we own something. So if I say my marker, I'm telling you that the marker belongs to me. If it's his marker, the marker belongs to a guy. Her marker, it belongs to a female. Our marker, it belongs to you and me. Their markers, it belongs to other people. All right? So now, if you look up here, this is a chair. All right? This is my chair. This is my chair. When I say this is my chair, it shows that the chair belongs to me. This is my chair. Now, let's say that the chair is not mine. It's for a guy. I'm going to say this is not my chair, or I can do contraction and say this isn't. This isn't my chair. This is his chair. In other words, I'm telling you the chair no longer belongs to me. It belongs to a guy. This isn't my chair. This is his chair. All right. Now, over here we have a cup. This is his cup. All right. Now, I can say this is because we only have one item. If you look carefully, we only have one item. If it's close, I can say this is. Let's say that the cup was far away. I would have said that is. That is his cup. All right, that is his cup. That means that the cup is a distance away. If the cup is close, I'm going to say this is his cup. Right here, this is her car. It shows that the car belongs to a female. This is her car. All right, she's taking ownership of the car. Now, since it's only one car, yes, I can say this is. When you use is, it means that the thing is singular. All right. Now, this is a cage. This is its cage. This is its cage. All right. Now, we can keep a dog in a cage. So yes, we're going to say this is its cage. It's showing you that the cage belongs to the animal, which is the dog. This is its cage. Next, your marker. This is your marker. There's only one marker, so I'm going to use the be verb is. Now, our sister. This is our sister, all right? So when you're saying it verbally, you're not going to say, this is our sister. You're going to say, this is our sister. Our sister. This is our sister. Now, what if we had two sisters? All right? So if we had two sisters, I wouldn't say this is our sister. I would have said these are. All right? When it's plural, we use the be verb are. All right? To show that it's plural, more than one. These are our sisters. But since there's only one girl right here, so I wrote, this is our sister. All right? Now, right here we have 3 boxes. All right? This is plural. When you use there, you're talking about many people. All right? So now you're going to say these are. I cannot say this is because right here we have 3 boxes. So since it's plural, we have to use the word these with the be verb are. These are. These are boxes. Now, or I can say these are their boxes. These are their boxes. All right? These are their boxes. Now, how can you use I, he, she, it, you, we, they? You can use it with subject pronoun, all right? Now, if the subject is about me, I can say to you, I am your teacher. I am teaching. When you say I, you're talking about me, all right? So since I'm the one that is teaching, I am referring myself to I. I am the teacher. I am here. I am writing. I am working. I am teaching a class. All right? No. So now he is for a man or a boy. He is alive. He is tall. He is nice. He is kind. He is sharing. He is listening. We use she for a girl. She is working today. She is talking on the phone. She is sharing. She is inviting other people. She is working. She is learning online. Then we use it for a thing. If I want to talk about a TV, it is big. It is working. It is not working. Or it is small. The dog. It runs fast. I say it runs, so therefore you have to add S with third person singular. Then we say you. I'm talking about the person in front of me, which is you. You are listening. You are working. You are learning. You are subscribing. You are following. You are taking notes. Then we say we with the person that is in front of you, which is you and me. All right? We are here. We are online. We are learning. We are learning English. We are working with Miss Mierdelin. Then we have they. You use they for other people. They are here. They are writing. They are taking notes. They are reading. They are listening. They are working together. All right? So don't forget, with I, he, she, it, you, we, they, this is subject pronoun, which is you are the subject. All right. So now, if you're using I for yourself, he for a guy, she for a girl, it for a thing or an animal, you for the person in front of you, or we for you and me, there for other people if we are the subject. So therefore, you have to write them in the beginning of the sentence. All right. So right here, this is possessive adjective. The word possessive, showing that ownership. If you possess something, that means that it's yours. So if I possess this marker, this is mine, right? It belongs to me, my marker. All right, my class, my teacher. Now, if Almaton wants to talk about me, he can say my teacher. All right. Now, my student, your class, your teacher, your life, our friends, all right, our friends, their papers or their homework, all right. So I wrote some examples right here. Now, the chair belongs to me, so I'm going to say this is my chair. The cup belongs to him. This is his cup. The car belongs to her. This is her car. The cage belongs to the dog. This is its cage. The marker belongs to you. This is your marker. The girl is related to you and me. She is our sister. This is our sister. Right here. The boxes belongs to other people. This is their boxes. All right. Now, take a look right here, and right here. I want to talk about three of them. Reason why. You have to be very careful when you're using the word it, because there is another word that is pronounced the same way, but it doesn't mean the same thing. All right. So this is it, which means it is. You write it's like this with the contraction form. Instead of you saying it is, you say it's. All right. This is the contraction form for the word it is. Over here, this is ownership. All right. This is the possessive form. Then we have your. All right. There is another your. This your is the contraction form for you are. This one, it's not the same thing. This your, it's talking about the person in front of you, which is you. You're my friend. You're my student. You're my coworker. You're listening, all right? And then we have there. We have another word. There. Actually, we have two. All right, we have the first one. There. This is the contraction form of they are. All right. Then we have another word there. Yes, they sound the same, but they don't have the same meaning. So if I say there, I'm talking about a spot. All right. I put this marker there. Another word, I'm telling you that I place this marker there on that spot. All right. This one, on the other hand, it's saying they are by writing the contraction form. Instead of me saying they are, I'm saying there. If I'm talking about you guys, they're here, they're online, they're listening, they're inviting, they're subscribing, they're writing. All right. All right. Now let's continue with the first one. All right. So I want you guys to do this, the bottom part with me together. All right. I want to make sure that you guys understand. Remember, with possessive adjective, it's taking ownership. If the car is yours, your car. If the hat is mine, this is my hat. If the house is for the guy, this is his house. If the girl is related to the woman, this is her daughter. All right? So we're going to do number one together. Number one, I put clothes in blank closet. Again, if I'm saying I, right, I'm talking about myself. All right? So in order for me to take possession of the closet, I'm going to write my. I put clothes in my closet. It's telling you that the closet belongs to me. That's where I keep my clothes. I put clothes in my closet. Number two. We're going to do number two now. Colbert lost blank wallet. Colbert lost blank wallet. So Colbert is a guy. So what are we going to write right here? So what should we write right here? We're talking about a guy now. Colbert lost blank wallet. Number two. Colbert lost blank wallet. Very good. His. Colbert lost his wallet. Excellent. Number three. The children love blank games. All right. Now remember, children is plural. All right. The children. The children love blank games. The children, we're talking about more than one person right here. The children love blank game. Number three. The children love blank games. The children love blank games. Very good. There. The children love their games. All right. Now, you cannot say our games because someone wrote our games. The reason our is incorrect is because I said the children. When you use our, you talking about yourself and someone else. All right. Now, right here, I said the children. I did not include myself here. All right. The children love their games. Number four, the cat eats blank food. For number four, we're talking about an animal. The cat eats blank food. The cat eats blank food. The cat eats blank food. Remember, a cat is not a person, all right? So we're talking about an animal now. The cat eats blank food. You're gonna write it, all right? So make sure when you write it, do not put the apostrophe. So if you put the apostrophe, that's incorrect, all right? This is not the correct answer because this stands for it is, all right? Now we're doing possessive adjective. We're showing ownership. We're showing that the food belongs to the cat. So therefore, do not put the apostrophe, all right? Number five, blank names are Divinar and Cynthia. Now we're talking about two people now. Blank names are Divinar and Cynthia. I add an S on names because there are two people, Divinar and Cynthia. Blank names are Divinar and Cynthia. Blank names are Divinar and Cynthia. Number 5. Blank names are Divinar and Cynthia. Blank names. 5. Good. Their names are Divinar and Cynthia. So, if you're trying to introduce someone to 2 or more friends, right? You're going to say their names are, and then you're going to say the person names. If I want to introduce Colbert, Amatone, and McKendler, I'm going to say their names are Colbert, Amatone, and McKendler. All right? If it's one person, use the be verb is. Now, if I want to introduce Amatone, I'm going to write his name is Amatone. If I want to introduce Amisha, since Amisha is a girl name, I'm going to say her name is Amisha. Now, if I want to introduce Amisha and Colbert, I'm going to say their names are Colbert and Amisha. Now, if I want to introduce myself, I'm going to say my name is Mierdelin. All right? Now, let's continue. Number 6. Can I get blank number? Now, you're trying to get a number from someone. Can I get blank number? I want to call you sometimes. Can I get blank number? I want to call you sometimes. Number 6. Can I get blank number? I want to call you sometimes. Number 6. Can I get blank number? I want to call you sometimes. Number 6 is your. How do you know it's your? Because I wrote right here, I want to call you. All right? So if I'm talking to you, I want something from you. I want to get your number. All right? Number 7, Mike is taking blank girlfriend out tonight. Mike is a guy. Mike is taking blank girlfriend out tonight. Mike is taking blank girlfriend out tonight. Number 7. Mike is taking blank girlfriend out tonight. Number 7 is his. Mike is taking his girlfriend out tonight. Number 8, blank back is hurting me. Blank back is hurting me. Keyword me. Blank back is hurting me. Blank back is hurting me. Blank back. Very good. My back is hurting me. Number 9. My brother loves blank room. My brother loves blank room. We're talking about my brother now. My brother loves blank room. 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 My brother blank. My brother loves blank room. His. My brother loves his room. All right. Now, again, let's go over some things. All right. Now, this right here, this is subject pronoun. All right. What is the subject? If I am talking about you, you are the subject. If I'm talking about myself, I am the subject. If I'm talking about a female, she is the subject. If I'm talking about a male, he is the subject. If I'm talking about a thing, an animal, or a place, this is the subject. If I'm talking about other people, they are the subject, right? But right here, this is possessive adjective. All right. Possessive adjective shows ownership. All right. For example, this marker belongs to a girl named Astrude. So I'm going to say this is her marker. Who is her? Astrude. This is her marker. This phone you're looking at belongs to me. So I'm going to say this is my phone. This is my phone. All right. Now, when I say this is my phone, it shows ownership. It shows that I am the owner of the phone. Now, if there are other people, let's say they have 4 chairs. All right. I'm going to say these are their chairs. How come I didn't say this is? Because chairs have an S. It's plural. So I'm going to say these are. These are their chairs. All right. But this is what I want you to keep in mind. Although you're using possessive adjective, last week I mentioned to you when you have one thing that is close, you say this is. When one thing that is far, you say that is. When you have many things that are close, now you didn't hear me say that is close. I say that are close. Reason why I say that are close is because they're plural. With the be verb am, you use it for yourself. If I'm talking about me, I'm going to say I am. If I'm going to talk about one person, one guy, or one girl, or one thing, I'm going to say is because it's singular. It is, he is, or she is. If I'm going to use the be verb are, that means that whatever I'm talking about, they are plural. If there are many people that are sitting on the chairs, I'm going to say these are their chairs. If those chairs are far away, I'm going to say those are their chairs. Now, many things that are close, these, if they are away, those. One thing that is close, this is. If it's further away, that is. This is my chair because the chair is close to me. If the chair is far away from me, I'm going to say that is my chair. This is his cup because the cup is closer to him. If the cup is further away, I'm going to say that is his cup. This is my marker because it's closer. If it's a distance away, that is my marker. This is its cage because the cage is closer to the dog. If the cage is far away, I'm going to say that is its cage. My sister and your sister. If she is closer, I'm going to say this is our sister. Our sister, that means that the girl is related to me and she is related to you as well. So yes, this is our sister. If my sister and your sister, our sister is far away, I'm going to say that is our sister. Now, let's say we had two sisters that is close. I would have said these are our sisters, plural. If our sisters are a distance away, I would have said those are our sisters. These are their boxes. I said these are their boxes because the boxes are closer. If the boxes were distance away, I would have said those are their boxes. All right? I put clothes in my closet. Colbert lost his wallet. The children love their games. The cat eats its food. Their names are, you have to connect them. I told you guys, whenever you have a vowel that followed by a consonant, you connect them. That's how native speakers, they speak. Their names are Divinar and Cynthia. Can I get your number? I want to call you sometimes. Mike is taking his girlfriend out tonight. My back is hurting me. My brother loves his room. If tonight is your first time watching me, I want to welcome you. If that's your second or third time, welcome again. My name is Mirdelyn. We meet every Mondays at 7:30. If you have not subscribed with me on YouTube, after this live, go to YouTube, type Speak English with Mirdelyn. That's how you'll be able to subscribe with me. Thank you all for watching. I will see you guys next Monday at 7:30. Stay positive. Have a blessed night. Happy Valentine's Day, by the way. Good night.